Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix geometry dash not opening or crashing in iOS 17.0.2. So how to fix this problem? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have dash geometry dash is not working on your iPhone, so you have shut down your iPhone. So you have open the setting and then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on shutdown, you have slide to power off, and then your mobile is power off. Then you have uh, 20 to 30 seconds wait and then you have turn back on your iPhone. So then other solution, you have not shut down on your iPhone, then you have restart your iPhone. So then volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your problem will be fixed and then your geometry dashboard box is working on your iPhone. If there are second solution is not working, third solution, you have update the app. So you have update from App Store, then you have open the App Store, then you have check the geometry dash update on your iPhone. So you have search the geometry dash uh, on your iPhone. So you have geometry dash search and then you have update here available on your iPhone, then you have update on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. If for third solution is not working, their fourth solution, you have update iOS latest version. So you have open the setting and click on general software update. So you have latest version iOS update on your iPhone, so you have installed on your iPhone. Then fourth solution not working, fifth solution, you have again open the setting and click on general, click on iPhone storage. So you have free up space on your iPhone, not available free up space, then you have delete from app or photos or videos you did not work on your iPhone. So only unless useless on your iPhone, so you have delete from your iPhone storage. Then last solution, you have reinstall geometry box, geometry dash box. So you have delete the geometry dash app your iPhone. So you have reinstall from app store on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. Delete and remove, so you have a long press, then you have removed from your iPhone, then you have reinstall your from app store, then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.